Will the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 stand up against a full-frame camera on the DJI RS3 Pro? Stick around and find out. In today's video, I'm going to compare the Osmo Pocket 3 by DJI to a $4,000 cinema rig that I built. It's the Lumix S5IIX with the DJI RS3 Pro. Now, I'm going to go out and I'm going to shoot some video and I'm going to put it side by side, and I'm going to let you decide on whether or not the Osmo Pocket 3 can stand up against that larger cinema rig. But before I go out and shoot the video, let's talk about the cameras for a moment. The Pocket 3 can shoot in 4K up to 60 frames per second, and it also does slow motion video at 120 frames per second. The video quality on the DJI camera is very good. It's a 1-inch sensor. I use their drones all the time, and the image quality is very good. Now, can it stand up to the S5IIX from Panasonic? Probably not quite as good, but is it good enough? With the small form factor that the Pocket 3 is, it's probably worth the trade-off. The Pocket 3 is very small. It takes up very little room in the camera bag, and it's not hard to lug around when you're doing any kind of cinematic video in the woods. On the other hand, a full-frame camera on the RS3 Pro, my S5IIX, when it's mounted to this gimbal, it weighs about 15 pounds, and it gets quite heavy when you're lugging it around in the woods. And the size of it makes it kind of hard to put in a camera bag, so it takes up a lot more room, needless to say. So I'm going to head on out and shoot the video. Come along with me. So we already know that the Osmo Pocket 3 makes for a great vlogging camera, but the question is, can it keep up with the full-size rig for cinematic type video, for shooting landscapes, for shooting vehicles, things of that nature? That's the question we're out to answer today. Well, now that you've had the opportunity to see the video, comment below and let me know which camera you think performed better. Let me know if you think the Osmo Pocket 3 can compete against the larger rig. Also, if you liked the video today, please click subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to see another video about the Osmo Pocket 3, go ahead and click over here.